OnePlus is getting ready to shake up the mid-range smartphone market again, and this time the excitement comes from a device that hasn't even launched globally yet. We already know the OnePlus 15 is an impressive flagship, but at around $900, it's far from affordable for many people. That's why so many eyes are now on the OnePlus 15R, a phone that promises to bring a flagship-level experience at a more reasonable price. The interesting part is that OnePlus hasn't revealed anything official about the 15R. They only said it's coming soon. But now we finally have something to work with, because the company has started teasing a brand new device in China. And this device might actually be the foundation for the 15R. OnePlus has released the first teasers for the OnePlus Ace 6T. This happened shortly after the launch of the OnePlus Ace 6, which was introduced during the OnePlus 15 premiere. The Ace 6T is set to launch this month in China, and based on the early teasers, it's shaping up to be one of the most powerful mid-range phones OnePlus has ever made. Even though OnePlus hasn't shared many details yet, the company did confirm one thing: the Ace 6T will feature a 165Hz display. That's an incredibly high refresh rate, something we usually see only in gaming phones or very high-end flagships. A display this fast makes everything feel smoother, from scrolling to animations to gaming. And it immediately tells us that OnePlus is aiming for performance. Besides the display, OnePlus also hinted that the Ace 6T will come with flagship-level specs, a next-generation chipset, and a big battery. They didn't name the processor yet, but leaks give us a clearer picture. According to rumors, the Ace 6T will be slightly smaller than the Ace 6, and may use the non-elite version of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 chipset. That chip is still extremely powerful, especially in the mid-range category, and should offer smooth performance for gaming, multitasking, and heavy apps. The leaked specs also mention a massive 8,000 battery paired with 100-watt charging. If that turns out to be true, this could become one of the longest-lasting phones in its price range. An 8,000 mAh battery is huge, and pairing it with fast charging makes it even more attractive for users who don't want to worry about carrying a charger around. There's also talk about the camera setup. The Ace 6T may come with a dual camera system on the back, featuring a 50-megapixel main sensor and an 8-megapixel secondary sensor. It might not compete with the top flagship cameras, but for a mid-range phone focused on performance and battery life, this setup seems perfectly fine for everyday photography. Now, when it comes to the global version, the OnePlus 15R might not be based on the Ace 6T. It could also be based on the regular Ace 6, which is slightly larger with a 6.83-inch display. That version comes with a smaller 7,800 mAh battery, but faster 120-watt charging and last year's Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset. It would still deliver strong performance, even if the battery is a bit smaller than the rumored 6T version. No matter which model becomes the 15R, one thing is very clear: OnePlus is preparing a serious competitor for the mid-range market. With high refresh rates, big batteries, and fast processors, the 15R could easily become one of the best value phones of the year. The device is expected to launch in December in India, followed by other global markets. For anyone who wants a fast phone with great battery life, but doesn't need the absolute best camera or the most premium flagship chip, this upcoming OnePlus release might be exactly what you've been waiting for. As OnePlus continues teasing more details, the picture will become clearer. But based on what we know so far, the OnePlus 15R could end up being one of the strongest mid-range phones on the global stage.